Hello guys, welcome back to Innovative Design Tutorial. So guys, today we are going to create this 2D sketch in AutoCAD. So look how we create this one in AutoCAD. I hope you like it. So let's start the drawing. So here we first we create this center line, and now look here we create three circles. So first circle will be 85, second circle will be 62 dia, and the third circle will be 32. And here we create a circle here 14 diameter, and now we make the pattern of 6 number. So here we create this 2D sketch. So look how we create this one. So here we first go to this circle and now select the center diameter. Now okay, and here we create the circle. So select this any point and drag, and here we make the circle of dia 85. Enter. Now again select this one, and from this center point create second circle will be 62. Okay, and now we create the third circle. So this third circle will be 32. So select this center diameter, and now select this point and make it 32 diameter. Okay, now here we create a center line. So select this line and make sure ortho mode on. Now we create this line from this point to this point. So here we create circle to this point. So go to this center diameter circle, and now select this quadrant, and here we make this the diameter will be 14. So make it 14. Okay, and now here sorry, we are going to forget this dimension. This gap will be now let's check this gap. So select linear, select this point to this one. So this gap will be 8 mm. So here we make the offset. Go to the offset command, and here we make the offset of 4 mm. Enter. Now select this line and drag here. Now again select this line and drag this side. Okay, here we delete this unwanted sketch. So go to the trim. So it's better to press TR your keyboard, trim. Now again select enter. Okay, and here we delete this one. So select this one also, here delete this one. Now here delete this one, and we select this circle and convert into for construction purpose. Okay, now here we create this circle, and we select this both line and remove it. Sorry, here we delete this one. So we make trim. So select this trim features, and now select this here trim also, and again select this one and make it delete. So here we create this shape, and now we make the 6 number of pattern to this one. So here go to array command. So press ARR array, and now we select this circle and this line and this line, and here we make enter key. Now it will ask array type, so we select polar, and it will ask the point where we want to array. So we select this center point. Okay, and here it will create 6 number of pattern. So here we delete this line. So we use trim feature. So press TR trim, then again enter. Now we delete this one. So select delete. Okay, here we create this sketch, and now here we create this circle profile. So from this center point the distance will be 52, and from this center point this distance will be 47. So here it's better to make offset, so it's become very easy to and drawing takes less time. So select this one and we create this line. Okay, now select this one and from this center point we create this vertical line. Okay, and here we create the offset, so select this offset, and from this line we create the offset of 52, so distance will be 52. Enter. Now select this line and drag below side, and here we create the offset of 47 to this vertical line. So again go to the offset and make the offset of 47. Enter. Now select this line and drag here, so here we create this one, and now we use trim command, so go to the press trim, enter, again enter. Now delete this line also, this one, and here we create two circle profile. So first circle diameter will be 14 and second will be 28. So go to the center point circle, again select and make it 12. Okay, and this circle will be 28. So again go to the center diameter circle, and from this point select this point and create, and this length will be 28 dia, so make it 28. And here it's better to make mirror feature, so here we apply mirror feature. So go to the mirror. Now select this line, sorry, not line, this circle profile we select, then enter, and we mirror from this end point to this end point, and it will ask erase source object, so here we press no. Okay, and again we make the mirror, so select mirror command. Now select this both circle, this one also, and make it enter, and we make the mirror from this end point to this end point, and it will ask erase source, so make it no. Okay, and here we create a vertical line to this circle, so go to the line. Now select this point and make the line up to here. Okay, now again select this line and select this quadrant point and make the line up to here, and here we make the tangent circle of 12 radius, so it will create by using tan radius. So go to the circle. Now here select tan radius, and now here we select any circle distance, select this one and select this one, and it will ask radius, so radius will be 12, so make it 12. So here it will ask, so make it 12. Enter. Now again select this one and select this tangent face and this face and make it also 12, and here we delete this unwanted portion, so we use trim, so press trim command, enter, again enter. Okay, and here we delete this one, so remove and delete this also. Okay, and here it's better to make the mirror to this arc feature, so we select this mirror. Now select this arc, enter, and select this point to this end point, and make the erase source object no. Okay, here we delete this one, so we use trim feature, so select TR for trim, enter. Now select this one and this one, so it will remove. Here look, now look how we create this 2D sketch. So it select this one, this line, and this one, remove it, delete. Now here we apply this line, select this one to this one. Okay, this one, again select this line Okay, here we apply the dimension. So go to the dim style linear. So it will option various options. So we select this diameter, select this one and make it 85. Again, if you want to apply a repeated command, so it's better to use enter key. So select enter key. Now select this one and it will be 62. Again select this one, it will be 32 dia. Again press enter key and this circle will be 14. Here we select this center, select this one and it will be 12. Again press enter key. Now select this one and it will be 28. And here we better to apply this dimension here. So gap. So here we go and select this linear. Now select this point, in point to this in point, and this gap will be 8 and number of pattern will be 6. And here we this radius circular. So select this one, select radius and it will be made, it will be 12. This fillet will be 12 mm. So look how we create this 2D sketch. And here we forget to add dimension here. So again select this one and select this linear, and from this center point and this point, this distance will be 52. Again select this linear pattern, linear dimension, select this center point and this point, and this gap will be 47. And again select this one, and overall this will be 94 distance. Okay, so look how we create this 2D sketch in AutoCAD. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.